Hey guys, my name is Greta. Welcome to my channel, and here we talk about everything to do with living a natural lifestyle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my natural tea tree face wash, and I am so excited to share this recipe because I have been using it for the past 2 years and it has been working amazing for me. It is really good for acne prone skin because it has tea tree in it, which is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. There is also a really good oil in it which is really nourishing for your skin, and it also leaves your skin moisturized. So I have really dry skin and I have always struggled with buying drugstore face wash because it always leaves my face really dry afterwards. I have to put on moisturizer straight away. It's just not a nice feeling. And ever since I discovered this and made it and used it, I even forget to put on moisturizer afterwards because it leaves your skin so moisturized as well as cleaning it really well. And I never really had bad acne prone skin, but I did have a lot of little spots all over my face a couple years back, and they started going away as soon as I started using natural products, and this is my favorite and my main natural product that I make and use, so let's get into it. Okay, so first you want to prepare your distilled water. So boil enough water and transfer it to a measuring jug and then let it cool completely. Okay, so this is the equipment that you're going to be needing. You're going to need a 1 cup and a 1/4 cup measuring cup. You're going to need measuring spoons and a glass foam soap dispenser, and I would recommend using the glass one over the plastic one because it will last you a lot longer and it is just better for you. So you want to make sure that all of this equipment is clean and sterile because you are going to be putting it onto your face. Then we are going to be using Dr. Bronner's Tea Tree Liquid Castile Soap, and the reason we are going for the tea tree one is because it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties to help fight acne. But if you don't have acne, you can always substitute this one for another soap, even the unscented one, which will clean your skin just as well. I'm going to try and link all of these products for you below, everything that I can find. Then you're going to need an oil to add moisture to the face wash, and jojoba is my absolute favorite oil out of all of them. I have tried all of them and I found this one to work the best. Jojoba oil soothes, irritates dry skin, and it has anti-inflammatory properties which will help repair your skin. You can also substitute this oil for an oil that you might have at home. For example, sweet almond oil and avocado oil are also perfect oils for this recipe in case you have them lying around at home already. But if you are going to buy one of them, I would recommend going with jojoba oil because it has just that bit more property for your skin. Then we are going to be using frankincense and lavender oil. Frankincense is an astringent and it helps to promote healthy skin by reducing blemishes and treating dry skin, whereas lavender is calming, gentle and nourishing for your skin. You can use other essential oils as well if you don't have the other two at home, and doTERRA is the only brand that I really trust with putting on my face. They are food grade and really high quality oils, and this video is in no way sponsored by them. These are just the oils that I use and recommend. So for example, if you have dry skin, you could also use chamomile essential oil. If you have oily skin, rosemary would be a really good one to use. Or if you have mature skin, a good choice would be rose essential oil because it has a lot of anti-aging properties in it. Okay, so on to making the face wash. First, you want to add 1 cup of your distilled water to a measuring jug, and we are going to be combining all of the ingredients into a measuring jug for easy transfer into the soap dispenser later on. Then to that we are going to be adding a 1/4 cup of the Castile soap that you choose to use. Sorry, I didn't realize that I was out of shot there. And then you add that to your water and just make sure to do this in the order that it is shown. Then we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of whatever oil that you are choosing. And then onto the essential oils, you want to add 10 drops of each. And also I forgot to show you to add a very important ingredient here, and that is vitamin E oil, and that acts as a preservative. I do mention that later on in the video, I just forgot to show it here. So there's no need to mix everything up in the jug. We are going to transfer it straight into the soap dispenser. And then it is basically done. Just don't forget to add your vitamin E oil before you do this step. And then give it a good shake and you are ready to go. And this is what it looks like. It is super soft and it feels so nice on your skin. Okay, so I am back in my room and I'm going to give you some tips on how to use this, but first I forgot to add a very important ingredient, so I hope you are still watching because this is essential. It is vitamin E oil and it acts as a preservative. So you want to add about 10 drops of vitamin E oil. I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so just a few tips, and if you ever want to look back at the recipe or the method or the tips, I do have a link to my blog post below about this recipe where you can find it all written out. So because there's oil and water in this, it is going to separate. So before you use it, just give it a good shake every single time. Just a gentle shake is enough. Because there's tea tree in this, if it gets into your eyes, it will sting. So just try to avoid getting this into your eyes. And if you do get it into your eyes, just wash it with lukewarm water straight away. The vitamin E oil in this is a really good preservative, and this lasts me a couple months, but I always get through it a lot quicker than that because my whole family uses it. So when it is coming up to 2 months, you want to remake the recipe. So it's really good for taking off your makeup. You can use it by putting it straight onto your hands and rubbing it into your face. I'm just gonna rub it into my shoulder because why not? Or you can put it onto a cotton pad and use that to take all of your makeup off. Or like I do, I use this every morning and night just as I'm washing my face. So I mix it with water, I wet my face, and then I rub this into my face and then I wash it off. So let me know if you are going to try this recipe by leaving me a thumbs up, and if you're not going to try it, then give me a thumbs down. I want to know. And if you do try it, make sure to let me know in the comments what you thought of it. Thanks for watching, guys.